Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Let's see, can we fix this chainsaw together. Customer brought me this saw and he told me it keep floating itself. So it can work really good, and then you left it somewhere, and when you try to start it, it won't start without full throttle. I tried to start it outside and it started on the first pull with the choke on. So that told me it had some gas in the cylinder already. This one can work like that if it have like really good throttle response. It has power and everything, but will die when you left it somewhere to idle. Then when you try to start it again, you will have like hard time without the full throttle open. So let's try to fix that. For this repair, and whenever you work on two-stroke carburetors, you need two like this, so you can check is your carburetor is holding pressure. Now we're gonna pressurize the fuel line also to see is there any leaks. Let's take this fuel filter from the gas tank. On this 180 it's easy to catch the fuel line, but sometimes you need to make yourself a tool. Oh. There is your fuel filter. Put this on pumping. It's holding pressure right now, but problem is when work a little bit, 5 to 10 minutes, then needle will stay in one position and it will stay open, and pressure from the gas tank will pump the gas inside of the cylinder. Let's empty the gas tank. So when we took off the carburetor, there will be no fuel to go through the fuel line. Let's take off the carburetor. There is two screws. It's 8 millimeters. So you take your 8 millimeter socket. Let's clean everything like this. Make sure to apply chalk and hold your finger like this so debris don't go inside of the cylinder. It's much better now. Let's take off this carburetor. First you need to take off this chalk lever. Sometimes you will go easy with your hands, sometimes not. To remove this throttle linkage, you give it like full throttle, then hold with your finger, hold this, then release the throttle. It's easy as that. Don't worry if you manage to disconnect this part. It's easy to put it back. Just hold the full throttle, then you will see a hole for it. Let's remove it for now. Next, let's remove this switch shaft, this black part. You need to pray it like this. Just move it from the way. You don't even need to remove this switch wire. Move it. Let's remove this fuel line now. Move it a little bit on side. That's it. Your carburetor is free. Let's clean it again. Leave this part on, pump side of the carburetor. We will take off this side, and beneath that is your needle and that membrane. You can see it like from here. So take good screwdriver. This one can be a little bit tricky because of this. You can take a skinnier screwdriver. You see, this can also be the problem because air filter was really dirty, and some dirt managed to go through this hole and to block this membrane for coming up, and that can press your needle. That will cause your chainsaw to float, and I believe that is the cause of flooding. If we clean this with air compressor, it will be alright. But let's check this membrane. Yeah, it's soft, it's not stiff, so it need to be like flexible to work like this. Also, this look decent. You can clean it a little bit with carburetor cleaner, but I think that will be fine. We will remove other side, sorry, because there is one screen you need to clean. Sometimes your chainsaw will bug when you press the throttle, and that will be the problem. Yeah, it's also dirty inside. There is some black stuff there. Maybe something from the factory. Yeah, maybe. I never seen stuff like this. Anyways, let's take this screen from the hole. Take something sharp, don't poke it, just press it on the side like this, and then you move it upwards. And let's see through it. If you can see the light through it, it's good, but it's hard on the camera. We'll blow it with the air compressor. Make sure not to lose it, hold it tight. I'm also going to change membrane, just to be safe. You can find only this membrane to buy in good quality, of course, because this one will be good to put back. There is nothing wrong with it. You need to check these flaps. Look, is it even? This is like working like one-way valve. So it needs to cover these holes really good. I find this cleaning with the nail best, so you don't damage the surface of the carburetor. Let's see, it go like this and cover these two holes, so fuel will go in that side but won't come back. So these two flaps need to be flush with the hole. Sometimes you can even bend it a little bit, just a little bit. Make sure to do it on the right side. Okay. Sorry for focus, it's hard for me to look at the camera and work. But let's put back this screen. It can be a little bit tricky. You need to have patience. I do it with a screwdriver, but you can find something bigger to fit this hole and push it evenly. Push it on the sides because it has some notch to sit on. That's alright. I didn't manage to clean this black stuff, I don't know what it is. It's okay. On this carburetor there is only one screw for adjustment, and it's only for idle speed. So there is its H and L screws are set like default. So you don't even need to adjust it afterwards. Let's put back this side. So on this side, first go this part and then membrane, but other side is first is go your membrane. There is two notch at the ends. Move it a little bit like this, so it will sit good. It's original steel, but it's from China, Zama. But it's good quality, really good quality. Make it tight, so it needs to hold the pressure. We will check it right now. I put my testing tool again. So there is your needle. Sorry, the needle is inside of the hole. This thing is like holding the needle right there. Let's see, does it like hold the pressure again? Oh. I need to find better connection here. Wait a second. I found a different one. Let's see now. Sometimes when it's like carburetor is empty, it will have some small leaks, so you need a little bit of time to see does it like drop on the scale. And then now you can press it and check it again. Also, you will check this part, so there is no like wear on it. There's a little bit, but nothing much. Wear is from this membrane. This needle is good. When you have small leaks, you can use like soapy water to spray on the carburetor. You will see where is leaking. It will usually be the part, this part, so you can spray it. But now it's holding, so nothing like, there is no problem with that. Okay. Let's put everything back together. If you are not sure in which direction this go, it go like this, because it's sitting on the sole like that. You will know that because of the fuel line. And this part go inside of the air filter housing, like there, and it go like this. Then so basically it's going the same direction as this fuel pump line. Let's use our new membrane. Don't worry about these two holes, because there is a lot of same carburetors with some holes there, so this membrane can work on both. Don't over tight it because it's aluminum. That's okay. This hole is there, so membrane will have some air inside, so there will be no vacuum there. And some different carburetors have only this small hole, but dust can easily go there. This one is connected with the air filter, so there will be less dust, but it happened anyway. Let's put it back on the saw. Let's put this throttle connection first. Make sure it works. It will work. Put it on side. Make sure that white ring is there. Little white ring. And let's put it back. To reconnect this throttle, you hold this with your finger and put your throttle back. Then you do like full throttle and it's back. To put this back, this shaft, you need to hold this switch thing upwards like this. Let's see, does it work? Of course it doesn't work without this lever. That go inside of this little hole right there. So move carburetor a little bit back. You can use these pliers, it will be easier. Now you hold the carburetor like this, and now you try it. This is full choke, you need like full throttle, then down, release the throttle, half choke, then it's normal position and switch off. That's alright. Let's put back this filter housing. Then 2 screws. It's not screw, it's like nut. Is that a word for it? This one is a little bit tricky. You need to move handle from the way. You pry it like this. Now we're gonna put back fuel filter. You push the fuel filter down. And I add some 2-stroke fuel. Let's try it like this, then we will put everything back together. Let's see what we did. That's it, guys. Let's put everything back together. Clean the air filter, blow it with some air. If you need it, you can put a new one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, to leave a like, and if you have something to ask, you can leave a comment.